Roofing news for May 22nd, 2019. Hi, my name is David Clausen, and each day I go through hundreds of videos and articles so you learn everything new in the roofing industry in less than 5 minutes. So make sure to subscribe. And below this video, I always put the link so you can watch the full videos and articles. And cool new product that I discovered from Loveland Innovations. If you are in the market for a drone, you might want to take a look at them. Some cool little videos, on-site claim data from a drone, and I will link to their website. They have some cool images, some videos. So you digitize, analyze, act, and they tell you how they are set up for the roofing industry. So cool product to take a look at. Also, Giomni, I always pronounce that incorrectly, has a cool video how they work with a company in Scottsdale, Arizona on claims management. So you can see how their innovations help roofers out. And from the UK, if you do any slate roofing, here's an alternative for you. Our Edgemore concrete interlocking slates are the solution that provide a cost-effective slate-looking roof finish. So it looks gorgeous. I'm not sure if they sell in the US, but if you do slate, it's product you might take a look at. GAF Roofing gives a demo on their measuring software for $15 for a single home, $45 for a commercial home. So take a look at that. And always Dimitri giving tons and tons of value. I call him Professor now with all the info that he's giving out. Talks about storm chaser scams and all the different types of roofing contractors. It's kind of geared towards homeowners, but if you're starting out, you can decide what type of business model you want to do. He gives the 5 types: retail roofers, storm restoration subcontractors, general contractors, bad storm chasers, which obviously nobody likes, he doesn't like. And Jennifer Stone from the National Women in Roofing, they are looking for volunteers. She's a busy mom, and she talks about the benefits of of helping out with the National Women in Roofing. Ending the labor shortage in skilled trades. Atlas has this video down in Georgia where they are showing new high school students the benefits of becoming a future roofer, because it is hard getting good labor nowadays. And if you want to get pumped up, always the contractor fight talks about the importance of long-term marketing. But you're marketing all the time, but you need to market while you're working as well. And in the latest hail maps, Effingham, Illinois has got hit from hail. So that is the news for May 22nd, 2019. It is brought to you by the Roofing Webmasters. If you want to rank on the top page of Google, give me a call at 303-519-6353. You can text me if you'd like, and I'll give you information on how we can make Google fall in love with your business and get you more local leads. So I want to thank you so much for your time, and have a great day and be safe on the roof. Take care. Bye-bye.